Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're seeing the age verification failed error on Discord, don't worry. This usually happens due to incorrect information, ID upload problems, or system checks. Let's go step by step to fix it. Step 1. Understand why this happens. Discord may ask for age verification if you try to access age-restricted content or if your account was flagged during a safety review. Step 2. Make sure your date of birth is correct. If you entered the wrong birth date while creating your account, the system may block verification. Unfortunately, you can't directly change age inside Discord settings. Step 3. Use a valid government ID. When verifying, Discord requires a real, official ID like a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. School cards or edited images won't work. Step 4. Take a clear photo. Make sure the ID photo is not blurry, cropped, or covered. Good lighting helps. All corners of the ID should be visible. Step 5. Avoid using filters or editing. Edited or altered images get automatically rejected by the system. Step 6. Match your face if required. Sometimes Discord asks for a selfie check. Make sure your face is clearly visible and matches the ID. Step 7. Check country restrictions. Some regions have stricter rules for age-restricted servers, which can cause extra checks. Step 8. Try again after rejection. If it fails, wait a bit and resubmit with a clearer photo and correct details. Step 9. Contact Discord support. If you believe it failed by mistake, go to Discord support, Arrow Trust and Safety, and explain the situation. Most age verification failures happen because of blurry IDs, mismatched info, or edited images. Follow these steps carefully and your verification should go through successfully. See you in the next guide.